In the vast blue sky, where freedom prevails, fly the birds with grace, their stories and tales. From colorful plumage to majestic flight, let's meet the birds in a wondrous sight. First, the duck paddles upon the lake so serene, with feathers waterproof, a splendid sheen. Quacking and waddling, they glide with pride, the duck's aquatic charm, a joyous glide. In vibrant hues, the parrot takes its place, with a colorful coat, it's a sight to embrace. Chattering and mimicking, with a clever tone, the parrot's charm, a lively symphony shown. Soaring high above, the eagle commands the sky, with wings widespread, it catches the eye. A symbol of strength, with a piercing gaze, the eagle's regal presence, a magnificent blaze. In icy realms, the penguin makes its way, waddling and sliding, in a playful ballet. Donned in black and white, they march so bold, the penguin's charm, a story untold. Roaming the farmyard, the chicken struts with pride, clucking and pecking, it finds its stride. Feathers of various hues, a barnyard delight, the chicken's character, a cheerful sight. In the night's embrace, the owl takes flight, with eyes so keen, piercing the darkness with might. Silent and wise, it watches with care, the owl's nocturnal presence, a tale to share. On rocky cliffs, the puffin makes its stand, with a vibrant beak, strikingly grand. Diving for fish, in the ocean's deep blue, the puffin's charm, a whimsical view. With feathers resplendent, the peacock displays, a stunning fan of colors, in magnificent arrays. Strutting with pride, its beauty unfurled, the peacock's elegance, a sight to behold. In wetlands and marshes, the stork gracefully flies, with long legs and bill, a sight to mesmerize. Delivering new life, with a gentle grace, the stork's nurturing presence, a heartwarming embrace. On festive occasions, the turkey takes its place, with feathers fanned, displaying its grace. A symbol of abundance, shared in a feast, the turkey's significance, a celebration released. In peaceful cooing, the dove brings tranquility, with wings that flutter, a symbol of serenity. Spreading messages of peace, in flight they strive, the dove's gentle presence, a message to derive. In bustling cities and quiet meadows alike, the sparrow flits, with a chirpy strike. Small and nimble, with a lively song, the sparrow's resilience, a community strong. In the skies, the falcon soars with speed, with keen eyesight, its prey it can read. Diving in a flash, with precision and grace, the falcon's agility, a swift and daring chase. Let us marvel at the avian splendor, from ducks to falcons, a diverse wingspans render. In their feathers and flight, let's surrender to the birds of the sky, a marvel to remember. The end.